Hello everyone, welcome to the web learning series. In this video, I am going to explain the three variable Karnaugh map. Minimization of circuit is important since it reduces the cost and complexity. K-map is a method of simplifying the Boolean algebra. K-map reduced logic function more quickly and easily compared to Boolean algebra. There are two circuits presented here. The first one is an actual circuit. The second one is obtained after the K-map minimization. The total number of gates in the first circuit is 6 and 5 in the second circuit. Even though the number of gates in the second one is low, it produces the same output for the same set of input as in the first circuit. The truth table provides the basic method of describing the Boolean function. It contains a row for every combination of the variables and prescribe the value of the function 0 or 1 for each of these combinations. For the three variable function f of a, b, c, whose truth table appears in the figure. There are 2 power 3 combinations and the values of the functions for each of these combinations is listed in the right hand side column. Each and every cells of the Karnaugh map is assigned with some values. Now we shall see how the cells are being assigned. Now we can see some of the rules of Karnaugh map. The first rule is, the groups may not include any cell containing a 0. The second rule is, groups may be horizontal or vertical but not diagonal. Groups must contain 1, 2, 4, 8 or in general 2 power n cells. Groups may overlap each other. Grouping should be as large as possible. Groups may wrap around the table. The leftmost cell in a row may be grouped with the rightmost cell and the top cell in the column may be grouped with the bottom cell. Now we can see how the minterm values are placed into the K-map cells. Now let us see how to group different logic cells. Based on the rule, we have combined the cells 2 and 6, 6 and 4 and 1 and 3. After the grouping, the common term in the cells will be retained. In this example, cell number 1 and 3 is grouped. Now the cell 1 represents A bar B bar on the top and 3 represents A bar B. In both the equation, the term A bar is common. So we can retain that term A bar. Then at the left hand side, C is common for both the cells 1 and 3. So now the reduced equation is A bar C. Similarly, when we group the cells 2 and 6, we obtain B and C bar. And we get A C bar when we group 4 and 6. Here you can see the advantage of K-map. The first circuit contains 9 logic gates and we have reduced the same circuit to 6 logic gates. Here we can see some of the common mistake. In this case, no need of this group as we have already covered all the ones. Rule says the grouping should be as large as possible. In the first K-map, we will not get an optimized output as this is not following that rule. In this case, all the cells are filled with logic 1. So we shall combine all the cells. Group may wrap around the cell. Leftmost cell in the row may be grouped to the rightmost cell. This rule is not followed in the left side K-map. In this video, I have explained the basic functionalities of three variable Karnaugh map. Hope you have enjoyed the presentation. Thank you.